So, a couple of months ago, I got myself a G-Shock, and the first question that came to my head was what else would I want to do with it other than just read time? Now, it's not like a fancy G-Shock or anything, but it's got Bluetooth in it. So I thought, what if I could control something using the built-in Bluetooth functionality? What about a smart light? And that's exactly what I did. Alright, so this is a quick demo of it working. This lamp over here is currently turned off. I'm going to press and hold this for a couple of seconds until it beeps, and then in 3, 2, 1, the lamp is going to turn on. Alright, it's taking a while this time. In 3, yep, right on time. No, it wasn't. Alright, so the way the system works right now is that I press and hold this button over here. It sends a Bluetooth message to my Raspberry Pi. It then forwards that message internally because our Docker container is working to a Home Assistant server, and then that sends a message to my smart light to toggle on or off. So if I were to now press and hold this button again, it's going to send a message to toggle the lamp off. Yeah, there you go. So let's get into exactly how the program works. Alright, so I found this really cool library on the internet, MIT licensed, that reverse engineered Casio's Bluetooth protocol. And what that library allows me to do is it allows me to scan any Bluetooth messages from G-Shock watches in the vicinity. And once I have that, once I'm able to figure out whether or not a Bluetooth message was sent by a G-Shock watch in vicinity, I can send a post request to a Home Assistant server that is paired with my, smart light, and then the Home Assistant server takes it from there. It sends a message to the smart light to toggle on or off, and you can, look at the API. You can do some other stuff as well. And that's about it. It's literally as simple as that. You just read a Bluetooth message from a G-Shock watch, right? You don't even need to know whether or not it's in pairing mode or whether or not it's, using the Find My iPhone, Find My Phone functionality thing. It doesn't even matter, all right? As long as you have a Bluetooth message from a G-Shock watch, you just send an post request to a Home Assistant server and make it do something. That's it. Wasn't it a quick video? So yeah, all the code will be in the description if you want to check it out. And yeah, that's about it for me today. If you liked it, maybe you should consider giving this video a like. And if you really enjoyed it, maybe you should subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And that's about it for me today. That's a weird outro. All right, there you go. See ya. Bye.